So before you take this basic skills test, I just want to go over a couple of different things to kind of be reminders for you when you take this. So no calculator, you cannot use a calculator on any of this. Take your time, actually read the question, go through and answer exactly what they're trying to say, but then also pay attention to the time that I gave you to complete this. There's a total of 19 questions, so make sure you give yourself enough time. So a few of the hints. When we get into adding and subtracting fractions, I know everybody just doesn't like fractions. Things to remember. In order to add or subtract, the denominators have to be the same. So when you get one like this, those are not the same. So you have to do it in order to make them the same. So you have to multiply something by the top and bottom in order to get that. When you're doing multiplying, you literally just multiply across. There's a way to break it down since you're using no calculator and make it easier along the way, but I don't know if you remember that or not. When you're dividing fractions, remember it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal would be flipping that, and that's what's going here. For 8 through 13, you just have to do whatever operation it's telling you to do. Using order of operations. So remember, PEMDAS. You do parentheses first. I spelled that wrong. Then you do exponents. You do multiplication and division from left to right. So if the division was first on the left, you do that. If the multiplication was first on the left, you do that. And then addition, subtraction from left to right. So follow order of operations when doing 14 through 17. And then when you get to the final two, 18 and 19, remember they're telling you to evaluate the expression with these values. So you're plugging or substituting in. You're taking whatever x is, putting it in there. Whatever y is, putting it in there. And whatever z is, putting it in there in order to get a final answer. So those are just a couple little helpful hints as you're doing this. Take your time. Good luck. And then don't forget to submit it to Schoology. See you soon.